Hello, Sushigans, and hello, Sushigwins. This is your WWE, YouTube, World Sushi, Heavyweight Champion of our world. And you can acknowledge me as the head of the Sushi Buffet, and I am your Swapple Sushi with another food review today, yo, because my dad actually made this channel. We have broccoli, salad, potatoes, lobster, and steak. If you guys love this stuff, please comment below. I'll show you guys what's going on today. It's this. Oh yeah, it'll be good stuff today. We have fun-filled food review today.
Fun-filled.
So let's go to the video. Just test. So let's go dive into this. Alrighty, we got some broccoli to see if it's tastes. Not bad. I like broccoli, but broccoli is also, I don't know.
So basic.
Yeah. And then we got some cheese and some sour cream. My shout out to my also sister Cannon. She told us sour cream because she told I wanted creamy. Comment below. Let me see my older sister will eat bio creamy. Please comment below. So yes. So we got potatoes in here, boys. With some here. Let's just see what's this.
You guys have potatoes. I'll need the whole thing.
So delicious. And then our salad. What's the various rations? Please comment below. Alrighty. So let's you around. Make sure all the dressing is all over the lettuce.
What dressing do you have?
Mrs. Jackson Island. Let's go. So far, wow. And now, very to this we have to say, lobster and steak. Alrighty. And this is garlic, lobster, put into this bottle. And so see how it's this. So good.
You love lobster so much?
I do.
I did it again.
Yeah, you did. Alright, and now, very important that's in here, guys. Today I will food review is steak. Sushi is this. And also get this steak sauce. So good. And the wine, let's go. The wine is so fine wine. But otherwise, that's every guys, yo. Because every guys love this food. Please comment below. But otherwise, that's every guys, yo. It's the most of this room. Maybe we go. I have too much to say here. In this as well. So yeah, so thank you for watching our videos and vlogs with our boy, Son of Business Rock. Here is watching this. You can submit, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Don't leave us download. Happy for second boss and Pam. Put me on my YouTube channel. The kids YouTube channel. And this video too, please. And be sending some to very friends. And be really with me. And be following me at Instagram, to Deals and Twitter attacks. And in that we can possibly also this business.
True.
But it says 是是呀，是是好哎，是是好，是是是是是是是是是是好。